like we never left. So last stream crashed out. Hey, I gotta get a new computer, y'all. This ain't gonna cut it. I gotta get rid of this old 2019 computer. So yeah, welcome back in. Hey, pretty girl, welcome in. Welcome everybody. Hey, last stream crashed. I'm telling you, this computer is from 2019, so I do have to get another one soon. Like this, the workload on this computer is taking the toll. So if it does crash again, I might just call it a day. But we're gonna try to catch a good trade. Market opens in 15 more minutes, y'all. So yeah. Hopefully we don't get another crash. But welcome in, y'all. How long have you been trading futures, Quasi? I've been trading futures for roughly 2.5 years. And as you can see, I'm on my live funded account by Topstep, so you don't think I'm playing around you know, lying. But I do have a Topstep funded account. I have a couple actually, and I'm up $762. So we're gonna try to catch a trade today, y'all. I'm gonna be transparent with y'all. I'm not gonna hide like most traders. They usually hide their account, but as you can see, I'm on a 50K, and we're gonna try to catch a trade today, y'all. We do have news at 9 o'clock, so mindful of that. And we already tapping into this 1 hour demand zone. But anyways, the market opens up in like 14 more minutes. How's everybody doing today? It's a brand new day. Welcome back. But like I said, y'all, I gotta get a new computer. This computer is ancient. 2019, I gotta get rid of it. It's a HP Spectra. But if y'all do have any computer recommendations that will handle like OBS streaming and YouTube, let me know in the comment box below, y'all. And also trading. Let me know which computer is really good for trading and streaming. I trade NASDAQ on finding pips, funded props. Oh, that's what's up. That's dope. Yeah, that's pretty cool, bro. Yeah, bro, I have a 2019 HP Spectra. I've been having this computer for the longest, and I also have a 2019 MacBook Air. So it's about time for me to upgrade on a new computer, y'all, so I don't have no more crashes. You probably can even hear it. Damn, dude, the whole computer is like sounding like a spaceship right now. What's up, Deontay? Yeah, I'm back, man. Yeah, I'm back. Laptop crash. Oh, we back. We back, baby. I'm gonna try to not put too many things on here on the sources. All right. So I'm gonna just do a quick rough through on like what's going on. So we did tap into this 1 hour demand zone, and we look like we're creating a double bottom. So we either gonna start pushing up when the market open, or we're gonna either start pushing down. And I'm gonna try to wait at least 5 minutes until the market kind of like settles in before I take a trade, y'all. Yes, sir. Like I said, we do got 12 more minutes left until the market opens. 12 more minutes. Got the P&L above my head so y'all can see when I take a trade. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Alright, so we are pushing back up into the zone. It looks like we created a double bottom, so we're gonna see whatever the market does. Check out the 4 hour. But I honestly think we're gonna push down further into this zone, this 4 hour zone right here. I think it's a 1 hour. What is this? Yeah, 4 hour. I truly believe we're gonna push back down into this 4 hour. But I'm gonna look at a daily and see what's going on. Yeah, we might come down just a tad bit more and then maybe bounce. We're gonna see. So I'm expecting more shorts today, y'all. Welcome in, y'all. So tell me how y'all day is going, how y'all morning is going. Did y'all eat anything yet? Cause I haven't eaten. I'm starving right now. I just hopped on the computer. Welcome in, y'all. We got 10 more minutes until NASDAQ open, and we're going to catch a trader within the first of 10 minutes. Try to catch some of that volume. Either we're going to push back up or we're going to start shooting down. But I'm going to try to catch that volume and not try to get caught into that volatility, y'all. So, yep. 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes until NASDAQ open. NQ. Looking at different time frames to see where it's going. So yeah, I'm gonna sit on hands. Market is kind of slowing volume right now. We are moving sideways within this 1 hour demand. As you can see, we are in a 1 hour demand zone. So I'm gonna just sit on hands. You know, I might just place a fair value gap right here. I like, maybe this could be a potential area for a entry for the shorts. 1 hour. Actually, 1 hour fair value gap. Gonna place this right here. Boom, boom. Come down. All right. Honestly, I think we might push back up since we did bounce. I mean, since we are making a double bottom, I can see the market opening up and maybe pushing up for the long. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Put a support to see where if we gonna bounce off the support or not. Small fair value gap right here on the 2 minute. Just some more confirmation to see which way we might go, y'all. So the more confirmation, the better. So this is going to be the new content of your channel. Yes, this is it. This is what I'm going to be posting. I mean, this is what I'm going to be streaming almost every day. This is it for this channel. But for my family channel with the pranks and challenges, that's a different story. But this channel alone, because look, I have 1 million subscribers on this channel. I haven't posted in years, so I'm guessing I should do something with this channel. So I'm into trading, so why not stream? And also, oh, we are coming down. We're breaking this support. So what I might do is I'm gonna keep that. Watch me, check me out, check me out, check me out. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep everything that looking like it's breaking, right? But I'm gonna keep it just in case. And I'm gonna make a new zone on this 2 minute. Okay. A new zone in the hopes of it bouncing. So I'm gonna get rid of this support because it's invalid. I don't believe in it. So we gonna see. We got 8 more minutes until the market open, y'all. 8 more minutes until the market opens. 8 more minutes till the market opens. We gonna see. Either we break this and go shorter, or either we bounce off this and go longer. And I'm gonna try to catch a quick trade off that. Interesting, interesting. Yes, interesting. I know. I can say I have a little freestyle. I mean, I've learned from ICT. I learned from a lot of traders, but now I have my own style of trading. So I kind of consider it freestyling. We're gonna see. Market opens up in 7 more minutes. All All right, we're coming back up into this small fair value gap on a 2 minute. Let me look at a 500 tick chart. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, we're moving sideways. So it's best that I sit on my hands. I'm gonna stay on a 5 minute. Could go long, you know. We could go long. We'll see. How and why did you start learning for trading? So, Alejandro, I was doing a lot of pranks. I was doing a lot of challenges on YouTube, and I got. I don't say I got tired of doing the same thing, but I really wanted to learn something different. I didn't wanted to see myself doing pranks every day for the next year, challenges every day for the next year, and it starts getting kind of played out. So I trading. I was looking on TikTok for new ideas, and futures trading came out of nowhere, and I just got hooked. I started learning the ropes, just kept just learning for 2.5 years, and now I'm here. So and then I decided I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna start streaming on my main channel, my personal channel. So why not, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna be streaming almost every day, Monday through Friday, posting my trades on my funded account. So you don't think I'm lying. As you can see, funded 50K Express from Topstep, which is in the description. Go check that out. And if you want a discount on another account, go check out Apex code. Type in that code on Apex Trader, LHLCGRLS, that code, and get a discount, y'all. Well, it looks like we're popping up, as I figured. See how we're respecting that small little demand. We'll see what happens at that 30 minute. I'm not sure what to do with them. Okay, well, I can upload a compilation of your old content from you and Alicia channel. This is no longer on YouTube. I have like hundreds of videos on my computer from when I had to download videos to watch. What in the world? So you have our videos saved on your computer? Wow, that's amazing. I ain't even gonna lie to you because I don't even have half of the video saved. That's amazing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's what's up. All right, dang, I should have took that long. That was a beautiful trade. Let's see how many ticks for that was. That was definitely. Oh my goodness, that was 40 points. That was 200 ticks. Shh. Market opens up in 4 more minutes. We got a lot of volume coming in, y'all. I could have took that trade. Oh my goodness. That's okay though. We're gonna keep on looking for more trades. Cause that's what we do. We are traders. Yes, it was a hard time. Wow. Shout out. That's what's up. Shout out to Leo the kid. That Leo kid. Shout out to you, man. For real. Like that's what's up. That's amazing. That is amazing. Are we pushing up into this 30 minute? Market opens up in 3 more minutes. Yo, I think mic volume a little low. My mic volume a little low. Bet. Is that better? How's that? Give me a thumbs up if that sounds better. Give me a thumbs up. I need to know. Is that mic sound better right now? Let me know. Oh, that long was beautiful. Now why did I ain't take that trade? Why I ain't take that trade? I'm over here talking too much. That's what I'm talking about. Thank y'all. I'm over here talking way too much. I should be making money. Look how perfect it bounced off that zone. Y'all can't tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. Look how perfect. That thing was set. That was a solid trade. What do you think of sports betting? Feel like it's rigged? Of course, sports is betting is definitely rigged for sure. Dude, it's too much money into this to not be rigged. Now, don't get me wrong. I want to say it's rigged to a point where there's gonna be influences to to change the trajectory of the game, but you just gotta make sure you know your stats. You just gotta know what you're doing because the people with the money that's literally playing big money in this market, and you gotta know when to get in and get out. You can't just be, willy nilly and just do whatever. You gotta know what's up. So yeah, definitely every market. Even look, trading is rigged. The market makers rig this market. They determine where liquidity goes, where the market goes, and and where it goes up and where it goes down. So you gotta know when to get in and when to get out. That's how everything goes. Everything is like literally a risk and a gamble. So yeah, in my opinion, I know Bitcoin trading could be a difficult task. Yeah, that could be a little tough. You ain't never lying about that. And we still pumping up. All right, so we are in this 30-minute demand zone, which I've placed right here on top of this 1 hour. We're gonna see what we do. We might come up into this 1 hour fair value gap right here, which I should have took the bounce because we did have a 1 hour double bottom. So I should have just took this trade. That would have been a nice trade. I gotta stop chatting. Market opens up. Oh, market's open. I'm tripping. All right, y'all, I'm locking in. I'm about to lock in. So if I'm not saying nothing for the next 5 minutes, my bad. But I'll read the comments though. Question, how have you been? I've been good. I'm trading now. It's what we do. We trade now. Market is going crazy right now. Volatility. Let me see if they got any news. All right, quick $27. That's just wanted to test the market to see. I ain't want to get into it too fast. Let it be. Quick $27. The market is moving fast, y'all. So we are moving into this 1 hour fair value gap, and we're pushing in it. Oh my goodness. Whew. All right, let's look for it. Let's look for another trade. Bruh, this is like watching a new daily trader in tutorial mode. A new daily trader in tutorial mode. Yeah, hey, a market open. I got caught off guard, but look, I did have my zone set. That could have been a perfect trade right here. Psh, perfect respect. Look how it's respecting that zone. But I was too busy talking. And I threw in one micro just to test the market. But like I said, y'all, I am on a funded account. For all of y'all that are watching, we are not lying. We are on a funded account. It's 50K Express funded account. Go check it out in the description box below. Go give Topstep a try. They're a really cool platform, y'all. Go check them out, and you get funded, and you get paid out. And also, if you want a discount, go look at the Apex code in the right top corner, top right corner, description. Go get you a discount, Apex account. All right, let's see what else we got going on over here. All right, we are pumping up into this 1 hour fair value gap. We might go into another fair value gap. There's another 1 minute. I mean, not 1 minute. 1 hour fair value gap, which is above. Might go for these highs. All right, let me see if I can catch a trade off this. Let's see. Let's see. We are still 3 minutes within the market, so I did say about 5 minutes. I'm gonna just wait, but I do love volatility. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love the volatility in these markets. You have to be in a private room. It's way too quiet in your place for someone with kids. Nah, kids are in school and stuff. That's what's going on. Kids are in school. Wow, we just skyrocketed. Oh my goodness. Why did I not take that trade at the bottom? Then I said it was going a little long and I didn't take the trade. Look, this is the thing about trading. Your trade plays out. You don't get into the trade. Don't get FOMO and just think that you need to get into this trade because the market can just shoot back down and take you out. So it's best to let the trade run and just watch it that you're missing your trade. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna watch it and wait for the next trade. I'm not gonna get the fear of missing out and go, oh, I need to get into a micro or get into a mini and just hurry up and get the money. That's how you blow your account. So make sure you always sit on your hands, be patient, and wait for your trade to come to you. Cause I've blown way too many combines, way too many Topstep funded accounts, way too many funded accounts been blown because of my emotions saying that I'm missing a trade. I need to hop in now when the trade is already taken off. That's how you blow your account. But that was a beautiful trade. That was literally off that one move alone from where I initially wanted to get in. That was that was about 600 ticks, y'all. Whew. Money could have been made for real. But that's okay though. That's always gonna be a trade. As y'all can see, we did pump into this 1 hour fair value gap, which is above. which is above. We are pumping into this 1 hour fair value gap. Now we could come into this. You know what? I think I got another zone. 1 hour zone. Let's set this 1 hour zone and see what happens right here. I'm gonna change this 30-minute into a line so I can have more clarity. Do you add money to your account from your bank or how it works? So how does this work? All right, let me show you a quick tutorial because since I don't see no trades. So I'm on this prop firm. Prop firms are like brokerages accounts. They give you simulation accounts, or simulated accounts, or live funded accounts to trade. So what you do is you buy these accounts with your own money, and they usually cost you around $50, ranging up to $300. You buy your account with these prop firms, whether they be forex, whether that be futures. You buy these simulated accounts. Pass these simulated accounts. Then once you pass the simulated account, you get funded, and that's where you can start making money. So they give you these accounts at a discount. So you're getting these nice discounts without trading your own money. So instead of trading your own money, say $500 or $1,000, you go with a prop firm. They give you a simulation account, which you trade to prove yourself as being a good trader. They move you up to a funded account, and you can start taking daily payouts. So that's how this works. So I'm not really using my own money besides investing into one of their accounts to make me some money. So that's how that works. But right now I'm on a funded account, as you can see. Yeah. And we're gonna wait for another trade setup to develop. See if I can find a trade off this. 1 hour, damn that 1 hour bouncing. Man, these zones. All right. I'm just getting my getting my skin wet in the game, just trying to see how the market's moving. Just down $16. All right, if we come back down into this, if we bounce, if we bounce within this 1 hour fair value gap, I'm gonna go ahead and just go for a long. I'm gonna wait for the market to develop a little bit more. But if it starts pumping more, I'm gonna just hop back in it. It's Baby Pips a good place to start learning how to trade? Is Baby Pips, man? It could be anywhere, honestly. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I just learned the basics of what to look for in trading, and then I took a lot of people's trading style and put it into my own style. So it's really easy to learn how to trade. The biggest thing about trading that you really want to focus on is the emotion. Seeing your money go down and accepting it as it being on the down and knowing how much you're risking. That's one of the biggest issues with trading. It's not so much of, you're gonna learn trading like that. You're gonna learn what candles are, what wicks are, what zones are, what demand and supply demand zone is, support resistance, double bottom, double top, uh, range trade. You're gonna learn news. You're gonna learn all these simple things. But when it comes to trading, it's your emotions that's gonna. Oh, that was a good trade. It's your emotions that's gonna determine how good of a trader you are. So like I'm down 16, don't care. If I was down 100, don't care. It's because I'm getting so used to being in this market that the emotions are out of it, and that's how you're gonna make your money. Is keeping your emotions out of the market. But at the same time, we can still be moving sideways. I'm not gonna like get into a trade just yet because we can start moving sideways, and I'm not gonna. I don't really see anything develop. Actually, you know what? I'm lying. I think I see something. Yeah, we can really be just moving sideways. So we are in between two zones. I mean, not two zones, two fair value gaps. We have a 1 hour fair value gap we in between. We have another fair value gap that we in between. So it's gonna probably be ping ponging back and forth, ping ponging back and forth, especially with Trump coming out with those tariffs. Just a lot of ping ponging. So we're gonna see how we just bouncing off one, bouncing off another, bouncing off one. We keep going up and down, up and down. That's why I knew we was gonna move sideways because you gotta definitely take your emotions out of this market. Coming right back down. See how fast? I could have got long, it would have shot back down. I could have got short. I could have got short where it was right here. Let me see. Actually, you know what? Give y'all a quick lesson. What pieces of equipment, computer software, are needed to be helpful for trading? All right, to trade, you just need a computer and an external mouse for trading. But to be streaming, you're gonna need a microphone, a webcam, a strong GPU, CPU computer. But overall, for trading, you just need a computer that's just up to date, pretty much, so it can handle this load and the upload speeds of this trading and its charts. So it's pretty simple. You find you a prop firm that does well and that gives you what you want in the account, and you trade with them. You download their platform and you just trade, and it's really that simple. You don't even have to come out of pocket so heavy with your own money. You use their accounts to make you money. All right, see how we moving sideways? I could have caught, man, it's long. Ooh, and also, like I said before, so another lesson. Let me go back to the basics. So right here, on a 1 hour time frame, I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. No, y'all can't see it. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Quick lesson. Quick lesson. Bring this down so y'all can see. I'm on a 1 hour, right? You see this right here, where this formed at. You see where the 1 hour formed right here? We came down and we didn't pass the wicks. We pretty much made a double bottom. So okay, wait for the next candle to form. Let's go down to a 5 minute, okay? 5 minute. Let's say we down at a 5 minute. Actually, I'm lying. Let's go down to a 1 minute. So if you see right here, I created a zone right here that we might potentially bounce at when the market opens. Market opens, starts respecting the zone and starts shooting up. But if you go to a 2 minute, look at this 30 minute. It start respecting the red candle stayed above this 30 minute and respected these wicks, and therefore more longs can start coming in. So the fact that as long as these opposite candles respect these zone areas, you can expect it to go in the same direction that you want it to go. So I wanted the market to go long. As long as it was respecting those zones and constantly, you know, piggybacking off those support resistance, it's gonna follow your trade. So you definitely gotta watch out for that. If it starts disrespecting the zone, like if it starts shooting back down, expect it to go shorter. If it starts to build back up, expect it to go longer. So it's respecting. So I expected the longs to happen. Just because in a higher time frame, the 1 hour did a double bottom. I mean, y'all gotta learn all this one day. So yeah, this is off topic. But how did you and Alicia was your person? How did y'all last so long? So me and Alicia met in high school, and we had some ups and downs. We kept God in the middle of our relationship, and it kept us stronger than ever. So without Jesus, without God, I don't think we would have ever made it this far, and that's the truth. All right, y'all. I'm about to start focusing again. I'm getting a little distracted, but like I said, we are moving sideways. I don't really see any good trades, any good setups yet. We have 25 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. Yeah, we still together. Timmy, Timmy Tuck, Timmy Tuck. We still together for sure. For sure, for sure. We are coming back down. All right, we're gonna see what we do at this 1 hour. So see, we coming back down to this 1 hour fair value gap. We're gonna see what happens right here. Either we're gonna shoot down, or either we're gonna keep going back up. So I'm gonna just wait for more validation on this trade to get into maybe a long possible long. But we might shoot more down though. We're gonna see. See how we're moving sideways? The market is indecisive. Everybody's trying to figure out which way the market's gonna go. That's why you wait for higher time frame pivot points. You wait for those higher time frames to kind of tell you where the market's gonna go in a shorter time frame, so you can get in and get out in a shorter time frame. I usually use the one. I let the 1 hour determine. I let the 1 hour and the 4 hour tell me where the market could go in the long term, and I let the 1 minute determine where I can get my entry at. So that's a good way to kind of place, how you get in and get out the market. All right, so we are bouncing back up. Let's see. Come on, market. We so much in range that the market's trying to figure out a way. It's trying to develop more more information to show us where it's going. So I'm still waiting on more information, to be honest with y'all. And that can get really tricky. That can really get real tricky. Real tricky. See how we moving sideways? What's the ratio on work luck does trading have from your point of view? What's the ratio? Oh my goodness. Look, Chin, go do yourself a favor. Go look up Forex and Topstep. I mean Forex and future traders, and you look at their P&Ls and you tell me if if it's lucrative or is it beneficial to yourself. Go look on TikTok, go look on YouTube, and you tell me from these guys that trade and make this amount of money, the amount of money that they're making from these markets is very profitable. Once you learn trading and you learn the ropes of it and you learn how the market moves based off you just constantly having screen time, you're gonna realize how easy this is and how much time you will have in your day when you're making money. So some days you're gonna have some ups, some days you're gonna have your downs, but this market is can be very lucrative. right, we are moving sideways. All right, so the market's been open for 20 minutes now, y'all. Had a feeling this was going to happen. We are up back up. Hold up, I see something. Bean bop, bam. That's a 30-second. We're gonna try to make some money, y'all. Just sit tight. Just watching where the market's going. Are we coming back down? To this 1 hour? We gonna see. We gonna see. Man. All right, let me try three micros in this. Mm. I'm out 10 of them. I got 3 left. 3 runners. What got so volatile so fast? Hey, WW stream so far. That's what's up. I love to hear that. I love to hear that. I love to hear that. Come on. What are you doing? Rookie mistake. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get that follow through. Follow through. Follow through. All right, I'm taking out of this. All right, we up 680 on the day. Let's go. Almost $700, y'all. Yay. We made almost 700 in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Patience. You gotta have patience. If you don't have patience, it's not gonna work out for you in this market. I knew it was gonna move sideways. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, and then we caught. How many ticks did we catch? Almost 300 ticks. And now the market's about to start dropping. Hey, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We made 680, baby. All right, look, I'm about to close this account out for the day. As y'all can see on Topstep, you can confirm your trading lockout. So you can lock out your account so you don't trade no more. This is what I love about Topstep, the lockout feature. You can, once you're finished trading and you're green on the day, either you're red on the day or you're green on the day, you can lock yourself out so it can't, you can't get back in and try to take more trades and lose your profits, or lose your account. So we about to all day lock ourselves out. Boom, we out for the day. And guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to go to my second account, my second funded account. I'm about to show y'all. We're going to the 100K account. We about to go to the 100K account, and we're gonna trade that and try to catch a trade and make some more money. That's how you do it. Be honest with y'all, if we do continue to ping pong, I might just get out this market because we are in some key levels. We are between two 1 hour fair value gaps. Now we can't pump it to this 1 hour, which is above us right now. We can't pump it to this, but I don't know. We're gonna see. It just, I don't know. This market is unpredictable. Anything can happen. I can determine like where the market can go for a short time, but I can't determine the whole day, the whole movement of the market in the whole day. So all I can do is make educated guess, y'all. And tell you the truth, I might get back into this trade, honestly. For someone starting from scratch, what's a good amount of cash to have before getting started? Look, you don't have to have a lot of cash to get started. Go to my description below. You have Apex in the corner. Which way I'm pointing? Yeah, you got Apex in the corner. They're in the description. Go check them out. You get a discount. You're gonna be paying maybe $20 on the account. You could trade those account, pass the account, and get funded, and you make yourself some money without using your hard-earned cash and spending $1,000 on the market. Or go to Topstep, which is the platform I'm using, which is in the description below. In the description below. Go check them out in the description. It's that easy, y'all. You go on YouTube, learn some videos, which I can teach y'all how to trade. I just gotta get my whole setup going. But make sure y'all stick around. Stay tuned for more. W Profit, yes sir. We made that money, man. Being patient. Patience, patience, patience. Let the market come to you. Let it develop. Guys, look. You have to have patience in this market. We are up on the day. We are up on the day. We saw that the market was consolidation because we saw that the market was consolidating in this around this fair value gap, and it was moving sideways. It didn't want to break high, it didn't want to break low. But we seen that it was respecting that fair value gap, which it didn't want to break below that fair value gap. So I stayed patient. I got into my contracts, and the play played out. We caught the longs, and it paid us out $680. All because we stayed patient and we stuck to our rules. So always remember to let the market come to you. Stay patient. Let the market develop. You catch a trade. You get out. And you can lock yourself out on Topstep. Yes, sir. All right, I'm about to go to another account, another funded account. All right, for y'all that's in the chat, look, for everybody that's in the chat, look, we are on our 100K Express funded account, 100K Express funded account, y'all. We're gonna trade that. I just trade the oh shoot, my bad. I just traded the other account. We're up 680 on that account, but today we're gonna trade the second account and see if we can catch a good trade. And yeah, markets break it down right now, so I see that I might have to sit on hands. Yeah, If I don't see anything, I might call it a day, y'all. Be honest with y'all. If I don't see anything, I might just call it a day. But look, I'm not going anywhere just yet. We're just waiting on to see how the market's going to continue to develop. Like I said, we are between two fair value gaps. I had a feeling that we was going to ping pong back and forth between them before we have an official breakout. So the market is trying to gather more information and develop. And then once we see that develop, the market develop and give us more information, we can take a trade. Just because you see green candles going up, just because you're seeing red candles going down, doesn't mean that you need to get into a trade. When you see this volatility and the volume spiking up, you sit on hands, wait for the market to settle down, move sideways, and then you wait for a breakout, you catch a trade. It's just that simple. They call that rally based rally or drop based drop. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Like I said, we are on a 100K funded account with Topstep, and we're gonna just wait for this market to continue to give us more information. It is ping ponging between fair value gaps, a 1 hour above and a 1 hour below. And let's see. So yeah, try to see if I can catch one more trade in me. Ooh, market get crazy out here. All right, let's see what we doing. What we doing? What we're doing. What is the move? All right, so that 1 hour candle just printed, y'all. See, this 1 hour candle just printed. So we're gonna see what happens right here. We are above the 1 hour. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. The market gonna move lower. It's gonna move shorter. We're gonna stay patient. Just because you see volatility, don't mean you need to get into a trade. All right. What did I just say? So we see that this 1 hour candle just printed. This green candle. The green candle couldn't pass the red candle. It couldn't even get above the highs of this one value, but it is above the highs of this one value below. So we're gonna see. We might continue to ping pong sideways. We did create a double bottom. So on the 1 hour, we did create a double bottom. The green candle couldn't pass the red candle. We are above this 1 hour fair value gap. So if I go down to a smaller time frame to see where we at, we might just go down lower and then bounce up to the longs. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna sit on hands and wait for this market to develop before I get into a trade. That's what you want to do. You want to sit on hands, stay patient, and wait for the market to develop and give us more information. You don't want to get into a trade just because you see volume. All right, so I'm gonna look at more time frames to kind of give me more validation on where the market could possibly go. And it's looking like I don't know, honestly sideways. Cause look at this 15 minute. Look how indecisive this candle is on a 15 minute. All right, let me do that again. All right, look at this candle on the 15 minute. So we are between a 1 hour fair value gap above and a 1 hour fair value gap below. But we did print above it. So we in range right now. So this market can move sideways. But as you can see on the 15 minute, look how indecisive this red candle is. It doesn't know which way it wants to go. So for the time being, anybody that's a retail trader are going to play within this range and get chopped up and down, up and down. So it's best to stay out this market until the market gives you more information on which way to go. You don't want to just constantly trade, hoping that you're going to catch a good trade because the market doesn't know where to go just yet. So everybody that's trading this market right now are literally either making money quick or losing money quick. So we're going to wait for a breakout for the market to give us formation, and then we're going to catch our trade. Y'all learning. Everybody in the chat, we're learning. But yeah, trading is not hard, y'all. It's only hard if you keep your emotions in the trading. So if you're like trading with your emotions, expect to not do so well because if you're like If you're rushing, oh no, I'm missing a trade. It's going long. Oh, it's going short. I'm losing money. I don't know what to do. Know what you want to risk. Know how much you're trying to make. Keep your emotions. Keep yourself calm. Take a breather. Make sure you pray and just accept which way the market may go. Whatever you going short, whatever you going long, just make sure you keep yourself self-controlled. Have self-control. That's the best advice I can give you. All right, we see that we coming down. We're breaking down. We're breaking down. We're breaking down. Breaking down. Breaking down. Breaking down. Shorts are coming in. I might get it into a short. I like how it's forming underneath this fair value gap that I created. So let's see. Can I get myself into a better entry? Let's see. Maybe not. We're gonna see what happens at this 30-minute. All right, so we are in between these key levels. We're right at a 30-minute. We are underneath this fair value gap. So we could possibly be going for the lows. So I might take one short just to get myself in the market, just to get my hands wet, you know. Of course the market will pop. It always does. Alright. Let's see. Let's see where we going, where we going. Where we going, where we going, where we going, where we going. Alright. We are bouncing back above this 130, I mean this 30-minute. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. I am on my second funded account. For y'all that don't believe me. For everybody that's new in the chat, we are on a 100K Topstep funded account. And I'm in 1 micro right now. I got 1 micro in just to, test the waters. Alright, so we're testing the waters with 1 micro. Just to see where we're going in the market. Huh. Or we are bouncing up above this 30 minutes. So I might get out of this. I might get out of this trade. I'm gonna get out of this trade. The reason why I got out of this trade is look at the 5-minute. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Because I think we're bouncing off. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. It really shoots down right when I get out the trade. But anyways, I'm not even gonna act like I'm missing out on anything. We were bouncing at this fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap. And on top of that, wow, that was a good trade. I really misread. I thought we was actually keeping above this 30-minute. But hey, it still can bounce back up. So I'm gonna still wait. I'm just gonna be patient and wait because I don't know. I don't like how the market's moving. It almost feels like it's uncertainty. How much you determine how much you risk and how much you make. To determine how much you risk and how much you make is so learning how much each contract is worth. Either you're trading minis or either you're trading micros. See, I trade micros. So each tick is worth 5 cents. 5 cents? 50 cents. And minis, each contract is worth $5 per tick. See, I told y'all. See what happens? When you would think that your move is playing out until the market does a total opposite, a total switch up. So yeah, you can determine how much you're risking based off the ticks. You know what? The only way you can find that out is based off looking at a chart. how much is one contract is worth in minis and how much is one contract worth in micros, and you look at how many ticks you're willing to risk and you multiply that. So let's say, for example, let's say give me 1 second. Let's say I wanted to get in long right here, right? Let's say I put let's see how long this wick is. So this wick is 92 ticks, which is very long. I could put a stop. Damn, you know what? I take that back. Because it's kind of hard to explain while looking at the market. Let me go to a practice account, and I can really explain it better. Give me a second. I can really explain this better to you. Let me start recording that. All right, so I'm in a practice account. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Show you real quick what I'm talking about. So I'm in a practice account. I just switched from my funded account to my practice account. I'm not lying to you. Just switch to the practice. All right, I'm about to explain to you on how much you're risking. So let's say I have a zone right here, right? As y'all can see, I have a zone. Let's say I wanted to get in. This is micros, by the way. Let's say I wanted to get into one micro going long. I can drag my stop for how much I want to risk down here, and it shows that I'm risking $52. So I would drag my stop down here below this fair value gap, and I'm willing to risk $52 on this trade because I'm in one micro. And let's say I wanted to take profit, I can drag this up above the highs for $178 of a profit of $178, and that would be my take profit. So me getting to this trade, I know that it's 50-50. I'm willing to risk the $52 in this trade for a loss. I'm willing to risk for a loss of $52 and say, you know what? I tried this trade out. I lost $50. And I also have my take profit, which is above the highs, and I'm willing to take $107 in profit. So that's usually how I determine my risk factor. But I don't really play it as much. Like, I usually just let it free ball a little bit. I let it just freestyle a little bit, and yeah. Because I don't like really setting stops, because I've gotten so used to not setting stops that I like to scale in, and that's a whole different scaling in is a whole different ball game, huh? A lot of algebra involved. So right now we're breaking down. I make sure that I respect my trade. I'm not gonna get scared and go, oh no, I'm losing money, let me get out of this trade. I usually get out of a trade unless I know for a fact it's gonna shoot down. But if you like to play more precise and more sophisticated, you set a stop and you let your stop get hit. Right now, see, it didn't even hit my stop yet. So I have my stop below this fair value gap, and it still hasn't hit it yet. But I'm willing to risk this $50 for a loss of $50 and say, you know what, I respected my trade, and I accept that loss of $50, as you can see, and that's okay. And you move on to your next trade. So yeah. Now I gotta go back to my funded account. Love you too. Like I said, y'all, if I don't see another trade within the next 20-30 minutes, I might get off, because like I said, the market is moving a little sideways. See, we're moving sideways. Look at the 1 hour, we're moving sideways. So I might just get off and take my little $32 loss and call it a day. But wait a minute. All right. That's a 5-minute. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna give you an example of risk. So, pretty simple example. All right, so right here we have a 5-minute. I'm gonna remove all of this gibberish that y'all see. All this gibberish, nothing but gibberish, right? Gibberish. We're coming down. Y'all see that we coming down. Either we're gonna bounce at this level and go long, or either we're gonna break at this level and go short. That's what I'm expecting. So that's what I'm waiting on. That's the trade I'm waiting on. And I think possibly we can break for the shorts. I really truly believe we can go shorter. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, I'm going in one contract long. And I'm gonna set my stop below this 5 minute fair value. I mean this 5 minute demand zone. Get rid of this 30 minute because I don't like it. It's already invalid. Alright, as y'all can see, it's respecting this 5 minute. You see as the wicks is not passing the zone. So we're gonna see. I might try in 3 more micros. Alright, I'm in 4 micros in total. And I'm willing to risk you know what? I'll risk 300. Let's go. Let's see what happens right here. I'm gonna take off 3 if we get back to the top of here right here. I'm gonna take off 3. Wow. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna go up a little higher right here. Alright, I'm gonna just take off some right here. Take off 1 for a profit of 143. Bam, bam. I'm gonna let this run. Tighten up my stop. And let this baby run. See, pretty simple. Real simple. We respected this 5 minute zone. It didn't want to go below. It started building back up a little bit more. It started building up, building up, building up, building up, building up. And then we come back right back down. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna stay in it. We're gonna stay in it. And if I see that it wants to move sideways and dump back down, I'm gonna just get out. All based off confirmation. All based off validation. Yes, sir. Alright, my computer is lagging. Do you still have a prank channel? Yeah, it's KNA Family. Go check it out. KNA Family. We still have a prank channel. We still do pranks on there. We just haven't posted in a while, but we definitely still do pranks on there. Go check it out. Let's pop back up some more. Let's get some more in there. Let's go. Let's go. Run it up. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Alright, I'm gonna get out. Alright, we up $207. I'm locking it out for the day. So we're up almost 700 on our first funded account. And now we're up 200 on this account. I'm getting exhausted, y'all. That was a fast up. Yes, it was. Because that's what happens at supply and demand zones. When it starts respecting those zones and not breaking those zones, it has no choice but to go in that direction. Like, it looked like it wanted to tank. Yeah, it looked like it wanted to tank. I ain't gonna lie, it did. Like right now, it might start falling down. Literally. But we'll see. Alright, y'all, look. Y'all have gotten to the end of this stream. We've made our money. We made $207 and... Wait, hold on. Let me hold on one second. record this. All right, y'all. So we're up $207 in our 100K funded account, and we're up on our other account almost 700 bucks, y'all. So we had a good day today. I can't complain. And always make sure you stick to your rules, stay patient, don't have FOMO, and wait for the market to develop and have better formation and give you more information before you get into a trade. But other than that, y'all, I hope y'all really enjoyed this stream, and I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow. And